Hello guys! Nandito na tayo sa pinaka-exciting part ng birthday party ni Frankie. Wow! Unboxing na kami ng mga gifts. Grabe, ang dami naman yan.
Sama-sama tayo. Tara, tulungan niyo ako, guys.
Okay. Oh, napuno ang table ni Frankie ng mga gift. Oh, ang dami. Okay, sige. Samahan natin si Frankie, guys, na i-unbox ang mga...
Kasama yung mama ko.
Opo.
Ito muna naman eh. Mami?
Okay, start natin dito. Kasi nakabukas na ito, hindi na kailangang i-unbox. Saan ito galing? Galing ito kay Ate Jordyn.
Galing ito kay Ate Jordyn.
Oh, sino si Ate Jordyn? Sister siya ni?
Sister siya nang nagbigay niyan.
Ano nagbigay nito? Sino ang nagbigay nito? Basahin mo, basahin.
Tingnan natin.
Basahin mo. Sino nagbigay?
Jared.
Si Jared. Si Ate Jordyn ay kapatid ni Riley Jared. Thank you. Hawak, hawak. Wow, ang laking chocolate.
Haba-haba din.
O, saya si mami nito.
Parang kasing haba ng arms ko ah.
Okay, this one. O, sige, isa-isahin mo na.
And this one is from my classmate Alona.
O, tingin.
But look at the spelling.
Yeah, his nickname is Mona. Okay?
Oh. So that's why she liked her nickname.
Yeah.
No need now to unbox that.
No need. Okay.
And
Thank
this
you,
one.
Alona. And this one is from your friend in Manila. From Kim Chloe. Yung kasabay nila Ate Jordyn at ni Riley. Okay?
Look, it's two.
Yeah, it's 2. 1 and 2. Okay, next.
I was so happy for my birthday.
Next. Sorry, excuse me. Excuse me, guys. And next.
Don't worry, that's okay.
Galing yan kay Carly.
And it also got a Kit Kat.
Yeah, it's a Kit Kat. Galing kay Carly.
And what is this for?
2 Kit Kat. Okay, next.
And what is this for?
Ribbon lang yan, bebe. Ribbon.
To make a ribbon? Oh, I got it.
Okay, next. Ito muna. And then yung mga chocolates.
one, Ma.
This one.
That's also a chocolate.
Yeah, read it. And open it.
It's from Chloe Elise.
From Chloe Elise. Thank you, Chloe Elise.
And look inside.
So many naman ang laman. Tingin mo. Open it. And put it here.
My classmate is so good and kindful to me.
Oh, what did you say?
Thank you, Chloe Elise.
Okay, one by one.
Look, guys, it got some pepper.
Yay!
One big Kit Kat.
Wow!
And 2 M&Ms.
What is that?
And then the precious cookies and cream.
Wow, sarap.
And it's 4 pieces inside here.
Okay.
Later on, I will try this snack if this is yummy or not.
It's yummy. I'm sure it's yummy. Okay, there's the last
And
one.
the last one,
Wow.
I've eaten this before.
Yeah, what is that?
The Cadbury shots.
The Cadbury shots.
That's my favorite before.
Yeah, before. Ngayon, tagal ka lang hindi nakakain yan. Okay, next. Tapos na tayo sa mga chocolate treats. Okay, next naman ito. Hindi ko na alam ang pagkakasunod-sunod niyan, anak. Okay na yan. Yan na yun. Okay, saan ang gusto mong buksan? Unahin. Ikaw bahala.
And next, here.
Okay, read it. Kanino yan? May nakasulat, anak.
It's from Bryce.
Okay, from Bryce. Okay, from Bryce. Buksan mo na. Doon ka kaya sa upuan mo. Tapos iaabot ko na lang sa'yo.
Sure.
Oh. And this one muna. Sino nagbigay?
Ah, bakit yan pa?
Regalo din naman to ni Jollibee, di ba? Yan ang regalo ni Jollibee. Tabi na natin dito. O, sige. Buksan mo na yan kay
Panghuli na yan,
Bryce.
Mami.
Ay, panghuli pala dapat to sabihin. Ay, okay. Sorry naman. Ano ba tong director na to? Okay, next. Kayo yan?
It's from Bryce.
It's from Bryce. Thank you, Bryce.
Wait, I'm just gonna get scissors.
Sige. Scissor muna. Dito, patong mo dito. Para hindi ka mahirapan. Usog natin to.
Okay na ako, Mami.
Okay po. Thank you so much sa mga nagbigay ng mga regalo. Kay Frankie.
Sige na ba?
Wow! Wow, very nice naman.
It's a sleepwear.
Napakaganda naman yan. Thank you so much. Oh, ang ganda naman talaga ng regalo ni Bryce.
Wow, t-shirt, ang ganda.
Yan pang nakasakay sa horse.
Opo. At basahin mo ang brand.
Brand.
Opo.
It's good.
Yo, anong brand?
Beverly Hills Polo Club.
Okay, okay, put it down. Thank you, Bryce.
I've never had that t-shirt before.
Opo, wala kang polo. Okay, thank you. Okay,
Next.
next. Ikaw na bahala, bebe.
Here.
Kaino yan galing?
Kay Twin.
Caitlyn, oh. Ano sabihin mo kay Caitlyn?
It's my bestie, Kay Twin.
Ano sabihin?
Thank you, Kaytin. Do you know what is this inside, guys? It's a sleepwear.
I-drop mo lang sa ilalim ang box, anak.
I'm so happy because it's my birthday.
Ako na.
Oops! A box fall down. Look, guys, it's a sleepwear.
Wow, ang ganda.
It's a partner.
Ay, partner, ang ganda.
Thank you so much. Caitlyn. Lagay mo dito, bebe. Pag nabuksan mo na dito na. Okay, next. What's next?
Ako nang balak.
Opo, bahala ka na po. Opo.
Huwag nang sunod-sunod sa sleepwear.
Hindi na po, hindi na sunod-sunod. Hindi ko na yung nasunod-sunod, anak eh.
Hindi mo na
Hindi ko nakabisado, opo.
How about this one, of course?
Okay. Kayo na yan galing.
From Dylan.
Okay, from Dylan.
Bumi.
Okay ka na dyan. Ayaw mong pumatong sa upuan.
Huwag na.
Bunting, bebe. Baka matusok ka ha.
Yep. And it's also a sleepwear.
Thank you so much, Dylan. Okay, next. Ibaba mo lang ang mga karton, anak. Baba po. Sa baba na lang.
Okay po. Ayak na po, Mami.
Okay, next. Nalilito ka ba? Kung ano unahin mo?
Hindi naman ako nalilito.
Ah, hindi nalilito. O, kanino galing yan?
Mom Stephen.
Okay.
Stephen.
I'm so excited what is inside here. And
Huwag mo sirain, parang ibalot na ulit o na ibalot.
and it's a sleepwear again. Look at that.
Thank you so much, Dylan.
No, I mean Stephen.
Ay, Stephen pala. What will you say, Stephen?
Thank you, Stephen.
Okay. Next.
You can have my balloon if you want.
Sige na, next. This one.
Listen to me. Come on, let's
Oh,
go.
you read it.
Ah, it's a little bit heavy. It's from somewhere. Oh,
Here. Dito ka mag-unbox sa ibabaw.
I'm okay now here. I'm comfortable.
Okay po.
is it? I cannot wait to see it.
Excited? Can't
Super.
wait to see what's inside.
Oh,
What's
yep.
inside?
Yep, it's just totally a box. And then when you open it, you see something special and amazing.
Okay, here. Pupitin mo ang tape. Wow! Ang dami namang laman yan. Wow, so many! Pinakyaw ang buong tindahan ni Summer. It's a treat. Ang dami naman. Just kakainin na kaagad niya. Favorite mo yan? Baby, favorite mo yan?
Yep. There's
Oh.
just a balloon in here.
Ano sabihin kay Summer?
Thank you, Summer.
Okay, next. Ang cute naman ito. Okay, next, baby. Pahingi, baby, ha. Baby, can I have this? This
Of course
one?
you can have it. It was siya.
Okay. Uy, kumain na.
So delicious.
Oh, sige, mamaya naman. Okay, next na. Unboxing tayo. Mamaya na ang eating. Okay?
Gusto ko na to si taste yun eh.
Okay.
Masarap ba?
Can I have this?
Sure you can have.
Thank you. O, sige na.
Share it.
Next.
It's from ID. Now, ano masin? Yeah,
Okay. Okay, ano yan galing?
ID.
Irvin. Okay. Thank you, Irvin. Wow! One by one. Labas mo one by one. Labas one by one. Thank you. May pagkakaabalahan na naman si Frankie. Oh, one.
Mwah! It's a go. Mwah! Mwah!
Thank you so much.
Mwah!
Wala, ang dami. Ang dami naman yan. Thank you, Mami. Ang dami naman ito, Mi. Thank you so much, Mi.
Ano yan mga
Okay, next, baby, next.
Lego lang yan.
Happy ka, baby? Sobrang happy? Patong mo dito, patong.
Super, 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 super happy. Oh no!
Okay, next.
That's alright. I'm so excited to taste more of this.
No, later.
Wait.
Ay, what is that? Galing kay
Kuya Raven.
Kuya Raven. Nandiyan ka sa, dito ka sa upuan magbukas.
Ow, Ma, you hit me.
Sorry.
I'm fine. Okay, Ma. Don't
Opo.
worry. Hindi mo naman sinadya niyan ko.
Okay. Thank you so much, mga mami, sa gift nyo kay Frankie.
Yep.
Mga classmates niya. Thank
Yep.
you and
Kuya Raven just
friends.
give me a Titanic.
Wow! Titanic pala ang regalo ni Kuya Robin. Isang buong taon mong bubuhin lahat yan. Every Saturday. No, dami mong Lego eh.
I'm gonna be rich at the Egos!
Thank you, Kuya Robin, for the Titanic.
I love that one. Next.
Next, kayo no galing?
From Gwinnett.
From Gwinnett.
Aw, what a cute little bear now. Let's go cuddle right here.
No. Huwag dyan. Dito lang. Open mo lang yan. Ito lang. Ha.
And it's
Tanggalin yung
another
ears niya.
Lego.
Kawawa naman ng bear.
And that Lego is just...
Wow! Ang mukha.
Perfect.
Perfect. What will you say?
Thank you, Gwinnett.
You
This
love it?
is...
You love it?
I super love it.
Okay, next. Next.
It's a fire helicopter. I have this before. This is what Kuya Jomar gave to me.
Yeah, last year. Diba?
When I'm still 4 years old, this is totally my
Four ba yun?
favorite.
Okay, next.
Yeah, when I'm 4 years old.
Next, where's this?
Yeah.
You read.
That's okay, Ma. That's from Chloe.
Chloe. Kay Chloe May yan?
I don't know.
Oo, si Chloe May.
Oh, yeah?
Kasi kay Chloe Elise, nabuksan na natin eh. Thank you so
again.
much!
SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob
Thank
SquarePants,
you.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Favorite mo rin si SpongeBob?
Uh-huh.
Baby. O sige na, next na. Mamaya mo na yung buuhin. Marami pang bubuksan. Buksan mo muna lahat.
This is amazing.
No po.
I love it.
What did you say to do?
I'm
What did
really
you say?
happy. I wanted to say thank you, Ma.
Ay, tapos na ba? O, halika na. Next na, next.
Kuya.
Next. O, this one.
No, I want this one.
O, sige, buksan mo yan.
Do you hear that? Do you hear that, everyone? It's from Holly Blay Abanyo.
Yeah, that is the sister of Hans. The little girl. Okay?
Yeah, that's totally it. That they give.
Thank you, baby. Ano sabihin?
Then let's see how many pieces is this.
No, later.
It's just 90 pieces.
Okay. Anong unahin mong buuhin? Nalilito ka ngayon, no? Anong unahin mong buuhin, no?
Nalilito na ako kung anong buuhin ko lang.
One by one.
Pero hindi lang ako nalilito ng pagbubuk ko ng anong
O, syempre, huwag kang malito kung anong bubuksan mo. Lahat yan bubuksan natin.
Oh, wait.
Wow! Ano yan?
It's from Hans Spain Abanyo.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just a full toy.
Wow! Ang ganda naman yan!
It's not Lego, okay?
It's not Lego.
Nope.
It's a toy.
Just a toy. It's just a full toy.
Oh, from Hans. Anong sabihin kay Hans?
Thank you, Hans. Aww. That's so amazing. I love those.
Ano yan nakakain?
I'll just keep another one.
Malapit nang maubos ang ano bigay ni Summer Minanatan mo na.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
This is from Katuana Domitita.
Domitita.
It's a little bit heavy for me.
Let's see, what is it? Ganyan lang anak, hilain mo lang to kasi stapler lang siya. Yan.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow! One Lego?
Can
Dami
I see?
naman.
Can I see? Can I see? There's a McDonald's right there.
Yeah. Thank you so
That's a little
much.
bit impossible for me.
Ang dami. Thank you, Mami. Grabe ang dami. Maraming salamat, Mami. Ang dami namang Lego nito. Thank you so much. Busy na siya kakakain. Anong sabihin kay Katriana?
Delicious. Thank you, Katriana.
Nalilito ka na talaga lalo. Kung anong unahin mong buuhin, no? Ito muna tayo. This one naman.
Kasi pwedeng pala yun.
Oh, read mo muna. Kanino galing po?
It's from Abba. And Abba gift to me is this one.
Wow!
Wait!
Ano sabihin kay Aba?
Thank you, Abba. And look at the people. It's amazing. This is my favorite toy in the whole wide world.
Okay, next. Next, this one. You read it. Kanino galing yan?
It's from Buging.
From Buging.
Mm.
Buksan natin ang galing kay
I love you,
Buging.
my Kasim. Hey, why don't you just video me?
Ay, oo, videohan kita. Ay, videohan naman kita.
Wait! One,
Wow! One. Dami naman.
two,
Uy, wow, ang dami naman.
that's it.
Wow, may marami ng pangsamba si Frankie na bago.
Ano yan mga pulo?
Thank you, Buging. Polo. Thank you, Buging. Ano sabi kay Buging, Ging?
Thank you, Buging.
Kay Tito Junjun.
Thank you, Tito Junjun.
Kay-
And thank you, my cousin Buging. And this one is from...
From?
I can't find what was it from. Okay,
From?
it's from Chloe May.
From?
Chloe May.
No, that is a gift for you from Mommy's mommy. Ay, Chloe's mommy.
Chloe Maidsen.
Yeah, dyan nakasulat.
A Batman bag.
Ang dami namang gift yan. Thank you,
Thank
Mommy
you.
Christine. May bag na si Frankie ngayong pasukan.
Wow. Wow.
What is that?
It's a Philippine kalesa.
Kalesa. Tapos mo na ba yung buuhin?
Hindi ko pa yan natapos buhin eh.
Later. Tuloy mo yun. Binuksan niya na yan, guys. Kahapon. Excited na siya. Binuksan niya na yan. Okay, next.
Well, you found that.
From Tantan. John Tristan.
Yep.
Okay.
Ay, nakasikoy pala yan. Wait.
Hila mo lang, Bibi. Hila.
One. That's it.
Okay, open it. Thank you so much, Tantan.
Hindi ko masyadong mabasa to, mami. Yes, from
Para kayo na galing?
Ay, Paula.
Paula.
Hindi ko masyadong mabasa eh. Kasi
Nabura?
Nabura-bura yan.
Okay. Wow! Ganda naman yan. Dami mong helicopter na. May rechargeable siya, anak. Tingnan mo nga, anak. At saka may remote. Wow, o, dahan-dahan.
And this is never broken. And look at that.
Dahan-dahan. Ano sabihin kay Paula?
Thank you, Paula. All we need to put is a battery so that will work.
No, itabi mo muna yung mga parts. Patingin nga, harap mo dito. Harap mo dito, harap dito. Oh, next. What's next?
I still wanna eat more treats here.
Oh, sige, eat more treats.
Still this one.
Tubig ha. Tama na yan, Frankie ha. Pang-apat mo na yata yan.
Pangatlo.
Ay, pangatlo. Okay, sige. Pangatlo lang. Okay, almost done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 left na lang. Okay, this one next. Tapusin mo muna ito, mag-open na. Tapos, kain na uli.
I thought it was Merry Christmas gift for me, just an helicopter. I was so shocked.
Picture lang pala sa box.
And this one is from...
No.
I cannot find it.
Okay, try to open it. Baka nasa loob ang name.
Yep.
Malaman natin yan pag lumabas na yung video ni Kuya Dungdung kung sino nagbigay sa'yo niyan. Okay? Wow, very nice!
The name is not there. They forgot.
Napaka-nice naman ito.
Just pants. And that's it.
No, I think this is Kuya Teo. This is from Kuya Teo. Okay?
How did you know, Ma?
Basta alam ko lang. Okay? Thank you, Kuya Teo. Kuya Teo nga ba? Mamaya, malaman natin pag nakita mo yung video mo. Okay, next.
This is cute. And,
Kanino galing?
and it's box stuff.
Bukasan mo. Hila mo lang yung box.
It's a flannel box, bro.
Wow, ganda. Sige, paliparin mo na yan. O, open mo. Pumili pa dyan, bebe. Kanino galing mo na yan? Walang name na naman?
Yeah.
Patingin ako po. Patingin ako. Walang name, baby. Okay, next. Mamaya na, balikan mo na lang yan, anak. Na-charge na ba to? Hindi pa yata naka-charge to, anak. May remote control yan. I-charge mo muna. I-charge muna yan, okay? Yan, pa-charge mo muna kay daddy. Mapa-charge po, daddy.
Dad, wait till you're on, you can charge this, okay? Ready ko lang dyan, ha? Okay.
Mamaya na yan, bebe. Tapusin mo muna to, oh. Next. Kanino to? This one. Mamaya na yan.
Yes, just a little whistle and...
Yun ang laman. Tuwang-tuwa siya sa treats ni Summer. Ubus na, Summer. Okay na, mamaya na kayo maingayan sila sa video mo. Okay, open na this one. Okay, yan galing. This is from Ate Nining. Okay,
Yeah.
open it.
And Ate Nineng's gift is...
Ano ang gift natin, Nining?
It's just like this. That Bumblebee said, I am Bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Your oldest friend. Now you will see the most exciting part. This is
Careful.
Is Bumblebee!
Wow, ang ganda naman. Mga isang buwan nating bubuhin yan. 4 na Sabado nating bubuhin yan. Ilang parts yan, anak?
It's
Let me see. Ilang pieces?
It's 700. It's 741.
Konti
pieces.
lang pala. You think you'll be needing my help?
Of course, I will be needing your help.
Okay.
I cannot see if this can transform or not.
Nagta-transform to, syempre.
But how? I cannot see it if it will transform if I do
Ayan
it
o.
somewhere.
Ayan, ganyan o. Tapos, robot, magiging car. Robot, car. Okay, o. Next naman. Tsaka na yan. Okay, next. Next. Basahin mo, para galing kanino yan.
It's from Kuya Dendeng.
Yun, galing kay Kuya Denden. Dito.
I'm so happy. That's my big brother. Right?
Kuya. Yes, Kuya.
Yeah, of course it's my big brother.
Sira na natin, bebe. Dito mo sirain. Wow, at sino naman yan?
Maybe that's Optimus Prime.
Opo, si Optimus Prime. Anong unahin mong buuhin? Si Optimus Prime o si Bumblebee?
I don't know.
Nalito ka na.
Ito na ako eh.
Ang sobrang dami. Anong sasabi mo sa kanilang lahat? Anong sasabihin mo sa kanilang lahat? Anong masasabi mo sa kanilang lahat? Buksan mo ito. Bukitin mo ito. Grabe naman tape nito ah. Kuya Denden ah. Napaghalatang marami pa yung tape dyan ah. Okay.
That's it. What the faces?